What's going on, YouTube? I'm sorry I haven't been vlogging lately, guys, but yeah, I'm back. Welcome back to the channel. And if you're new to the channel, you might want to consider subscribing. Today, guys, we're at Anamamaki Cola Falls up in North Georgia, guys, but I don't know how to pronounce this place, and I'll tag it in the description later below. But we're on this amazing hiking trail, guys, and man, it just feels great to get out and enjoy nature and enjoy, you know, just get out and become one with nature and, you know, clear your mind. Done Millions, New Millions Films. And guys, you know how important it is to just get out and become one with nature and, you know, just have a moment of silence to yourself. And, you know, guys, this is priceless. There are a lot of people out there that would give anything to just come out and get a peace of mind in nature. On a serious note, guys, get out, get up, get out, and just go do something different, guys. Break the cycle. You know, one of the keys to success is getting comfortable with being uncomfortable, guys. You know, for a long time now, I've just been studying the ways of the wealthy, guys, and me speaking to a lot of guys that I know that are very wealthy, and they're in positions where I would love to be. And one of the things that they always share with me, guys, is always, you know, get outside your comfort zone. And for me running a business, guys, I'm always busy. And, you know, today is Monday. There's 1,000 other things I could be doing. But I'm here in the wilderness, guys, becoming one with nature, getting a peace of mind, reflecting on business moves, ideas, you know, business strategies, guys. So yeah, I just wanted to share that with you guys. I don't want to talk your ears off, but yeah, come along with me, guys. New Millions Films. I am Done Millions. I'm an entrepreneur, creative director, filmmaker, YouTuber. So guys, you know, I just wanted to share that with you guys, man. It is a true blessing, to just get out and just have a peace of mind, especially with, you know, a significant other, you know, someone special, someone that has your back. yeah, count your blessings, guys. Count your blessings. And yeah, if you're new to the channel, you might want to consider subscribing. New Millions Films. Guys, I'm sorry I haven't been vlogging. I've been very, very busy. But I can assure you guys that I'm back and we're full go. We're going to end 2019 off strong. And, we're going to go into 2020 swinging hard, guys. We're swinging for the fences. New Millions Films. We got a lot of things in the making. So thank you guys for watching, man. You might want to consider subscribing. You like what you're seeing, hit the thumbs up button. And just do me a bigger favor and subscribe to the channel, guys. And all of my subscribers, all of you guys that has already subscribed, thank you so much. Those likes and those views and those comments mean a lot to me. Thank you guys for watching, man, and I'll get back with you guys in a minute. Yeah, so that's all I want to share with you guys. Count your blessing, guys. Count your blessings, I'm telling you. To get out here in nature and just to be quiet for a minute. That is a major blessing for some people. So, I want to bring you guys along with me and Divinely Me, and we're going to hang out in the wilderness, guys. I'm Done Millions, New Millions Films. Thank you for watching, guys. Stay tuned. Got some amazing footage for you guys. Peace.